Hey, 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 welcome to another Valley Forged. Can I tell you how freaking lucky I feel? I absolutely love doing this stuff, man. I was on vacation for a while and that was super awesome, but getting back and just making stuff again, feels so good. And I got to tell you, man, I am just really enjoying the Atomstack Craft. It is a fantastic machine. It just has not let me down yet. I just been working, and it is just taken everything that I can throw at it. I'm a child of the 80s, meaning I went to high school in the 80s, and some of you out there can relate. It was a magical time in a lot of ways, especially when we look at the socio-economic things that we got going on today. We had so many cool things going on, and Breakfast Club, and they even called me Ferris Bueller. Like I got away with everything. I guess it's a little bit true. So it's the time of peaches and, mixtapes. And I had my brother just got married and I wanted to make them something special. I come from the era of mixtapes. So does he. When we, some of you know what I mean out there. That cassette tapes, you would just make a cassette tape with your favorite songs or something, and you would give it to somebody you cared about. And not only that, is one of our good friends is also a DJ, and he does amazing retro sets. And so I put those together inside a USB and I made this mixtape. In fact, here's one of them right here. The other one, it's actually in the box already, but I have pictures and I'll show you the gift, right? And at the bottom of it, there is a USB. So this one, I have it at the top, but there's a USB down here. It fits into the thing and it has a 2-hour mix and video from our friend that's a DJ. And yeah, it's silly. It's completely crazy silly, but I wanted to do something fun. It's my brother. I knew that he would dig it. So I actually made this one for the DJ that I'll be sending this to him. But that's the thing about lasers is you could just do crazy things like that. And the Kraft in particular makes a lot of sense for doing this because not only could I do the plaque, but I could also do the little metal tag. I showed you in the Atomstack Craft review that I just did. You guys can watch that if you're interested in the craft. And I was showing you how it's way better. It has the built-in IR and that you could just switch that and you could do the metal tag quite easily. And it looks way better than with the diode. So I thought it was just the perfect gift that I could make with Kraft as well. Of course, I have a link below for the Kraft if you want to check it out or just check out my video that I made on it. Everything that I got, except for the metal tags, I got from Craft Closet, and I'm going to be showing you another project that I made that was super, super fun just recently. Now, both of those files that you're going to see will be in my Etsy, and I'm going to have a step-by-step video showing you how to make the mixtape and also showing you how to make, I'll just give it away, the new flag. This one is 50 stars and 13 stripes. And so it's a little different than the other one that I made, was more of a desktop version. And there's reasons why you might make one or the other. But I wanted to have one that was flag original, and I really didn't see it on Etsy. So I thought it needed to be made, and so I made it. And again, I'll have a step-by-step video on how to do that. But everything I got from Craft Closet for the tape, like I said, except for the tab or the tag. And then I also got all these different kinds of crazy red, white, and blues, but with, either shimmers or stars or whatever, so that I could make this flag, which is really fun. So I like both versions, of course, but it's fun, I don't know. My family's very patriotic, so it makes a lot of sense to make these sorts of things. And I also got this one from Craft Closet. I'll show you. Half, it's like a half stars and half stripes. And so I just centered it. And then I made the outline of the USA with it. Very easy, very simple to do because you just buy it and then you just center it and you cut it out. Not only that, I have the rest of it that I cut out that I can make other things with. I want to make a USA magnet. In fact, I ordered the stuff already, so I will be showing you that at some point. To where you can have this whole thing will go on the fridge or something, and then you could put magnets of the where you visit the USA, that kind of thing. So all this just came about in the last, you know, since my last video. And I just been like, oh, I can make this, oh, I can make that. And I'm just having so much fun. I don't know, anybody else out there that's just like love making stuff with their laser? I mean, I know there's people who do it for a living and they feel like, oh, I got to keep making the same thing over and over. Or people that just, it sits and, it collects dust in the corner. And it kind of hurts because I really, really just want people to be able to make creative things and different things. And hopefully I can inspire you to brush the dust off that laser if you have one and just be creative and think, oh, what can I make? It's crazy that anybody would go out and get gifts if they have a laser because you could just do so much and you could do original things that are personalized for that particular person. It's just so much fun. And, we need a little bit more fun in this world, I think. I think in the 80s we had a little bit more fun. I feel like, on an island sometimes. It's like, it doesn't seem like anybody's having fun anymore. I'm the only one. And you could do this on just about any laser. I personally think having a 20 watt or above makes a lot of sense just to be able to make all this stuff and it not take, 5 million years. Again, I'm loving the craft, but the thing that I like about it is that, well, I've been checking the lens. It just doesn't get dirty or very, very little. And it's super, super easy to clean. Yeah, it takes about 30 seconds for me just to take off the lens, clean it, and put it back. That is so nice. I can't even tell you. And it stays clean though. I haven't yet really to have to clean it. And that is just one more amazing thing. The autofocus has been super, super nice. Now, I am not a fan of autofocus and lasers. I've had it in probably about 10 different machines that I've had, and I just never used it because I just didn't like it. But this one, super easy, one button, done. Don't have to play a lot of games or do anything for it. And that's been an absolute blessing. And I guess that's part of what makes it fun is not having to do the chores that come with a lot of the older lasers. Also, the machine is on right now. I think you get my point. It has the auto air, auto everything. So when you turn on the machine to make something, it makes it and then it shuts up. So I can concentrate on making videos or whatever else I want to do. So that's nice. Having the IR has been very nice, as I said, but it's not a Galvo. I mean, it will help if you want to do little projects like this, but I do have an actual dedicated Galvo machine, but it's $3,500. You know what I mean? And later on, as we come through the year, there'll be some Galvo machines coming out. But of course, we're not even in the same price range, not even close. So it is just nice for the price to be able to have that option without having to change the module. I just press a button and then I'm doing the little metal tags and then I press a button and I go back to doing wood. It's taking the edge off of what you do just makes it so much more fun. The last thing I have to worry about is playing with the machine. I play with my imagination. So if you're interested in this stuff, of course, like and subscribe and all that kind of stuff. I'm going to be doing step-by-step videos on how to make these things because a lot of you out there, this is going to be a great gift for you. And maybe you personalize it even a little bit more, or you make it a little bit different because you can, because you have a laser. And of course, as I said, I have a link below for everything, the Atomstack Craft Closet, where I got all the materials, my Etsy, where you can pick up these files, and also this week, by the time you see this, probably have a step-by-step video out, or will shortly, of how to make all of this stuff. And so that's what we do, and I will see you in the next one. Love y'all.